Hello my dear students, how are you? So today is your first day of the academic year and now you are in 3rd standard. So how is it at home? Are you sad that you're not able to come to school and not meet your friends and teachers? Or are you happy that you don't need to get up early in the morning and get ready for school? But for 2 months, you have now slept, enjoyed, played and everything. Now also, we'll study a little and then enjoy a lot. Okay? So are you ready? Let's begin the class. I'm not able to hear you. Say it loudly. Let's begin the class. Very good. So let's start. Do you like flowers? Is there a garden in your home? Everyone has a small garden, right? In the lockdown, did you plant something? Or did your parents plant something? Did they? Do you like seeing flowers in different colors? There are so many flowers, right? Can you name some of them? Try telling names of 2. Tell it loudly so that your parents can hear you if I cannot. Good children. So, I will name some of the flowers. There is rose, there is jasmine, there is hibiscus, there is tulip, there is sunflower, there is marigold. There are a lot of flowers. Which is the national flower of India? It is the lotus. And the state flower of Kerala is Kanikonna, that is golden showers. Okay, there are a wide variety of flowers. Some flowers are only in one color like jasmine. Jasmine is always white. But some like rose, we have yellow rose, red rose, white rose, pink rose, and they're so beautiful. Mostly all the flowers have a beautiful smell. And also they are so nice to see. Do you water your plants? Can you imagine a world without this environment? We need air to live. And where do we get this from? Of course, our plants, right? So the same way when we need to live, we need air, food and water to live. Likewise, the plants also need air, water, carbon dioxide, water and sunlight. And then in return, they give us oxygen and that is how we live, isn't it? So you have to look after all the plants in your garden, water them. Now you are at home, you are free. You can help your parents in doing that. Today after seeing this video, try going to your garden, take a notebook and then write down which all flowers, which all plants and which all trees are there in your garden. Isn't it? Will you do it? For sure. You have to keep a notebook for my class, okay? And we will do small activities and enjoy learning, okay? Yes, but in the garden you only see plants with flowers. That is called a flower garden. But in a yard, in a place where we have everything, like here, it is not only flower garden. We have jackfruit trees, we have mango trees, we have coconut trees and many more, isn't it? The big trees, small plants, the creepers. Have you seen the creepers? The creepers means all the stem of the plants will be keeping on rolling and it just keeps on spreading on. I will show to you, okay? After some time, we will go outside and see all the flowers, plants and trees, and we will enjoy, okay? We will all go out together. Then we will enjoy all those things. Okay? Are you ready for this? Energetic? Every day come refreshed, and then you have to listen to the video, learn something, and you can also tell your parents about all this, okay? So now my dear students, do you know how much chapters we have in 3rd standard? EVS. We have 13 chapters, okay? So today we will be beginning the chapter number 1. EVS is easy and you will be so interested to learn about it. This is your first time learning EVS, right? Miss will try to make it more interesting and enjoyable. Fine? Do you remember what was the speciality of June 5? Last year when you were at school, we all planted saplings, isn't it? Why did you do that? June 5th is celebrated as World Environmental Day, right? So, this Environmental Day, did you plan something? Or did your parents plan something? If not, no problem. You can plan now also. There is no specific date to plant a tree or a sapling. You can do it any day. Okay? So, our chapter is also based on the environment. Our first chapter's name is Blooming and Sprouting. Okay? So, we will read the textbook. But before that, I had promised you something at the beginning of the video. I told you that we'll go out, right? So, can we go out now? Okay, ready? Are you all happy? Okay, so we'll go now, okay? Come with me. Then we have reached the garden. And now we will see the flowers and plants and the trees. Okay? So as I said, we have a wide varieties of flowers. In these flowers you can see the plants with thorns on it. And we have brown stemmed plants. We have green stemmed plants. And a lot of flowers in different colors. We will learn the name of some of them. This flower is known as China rose. It is also called Pattumanippoovu in Malayalam. See, we have different flowers. Doesn't this look beautiful? So this is China rose. This flower is very familiar to you all. This is known as the globe amaranthum in English, and in Malayalam we all know this is Vadamalli. Now my dear students, tell me the name of this flower. We all know this and we all love the smell, color and this flower, right? Which is this flower? It is the rose flower. See, we have different colors of rose as I told you. You saw the white rose. Now here is the orange rose. Then we have a pink rose. And there are many more roses. Now my dear students, can you see all 3 different colors of hibiscus? There is red, orange and white hibiscus, isn't it? The video is not clear because there is a lot of sunlight now. Now we learned about the flowers. There are also other plants like this is the spinach. Okay, here is the medicinal plant tulsi. These all are some varieties of the small plants. Now Miss had told you about creepers, right? We will see what are those creepers. This is what is called a creeper. Can you see the stem of the plant is keeping on rolling on another stick and it grows. This is a beans plant. Such plants are called creepers. Miss will now show you more examples for creepers. This is yet another creeper. This is jasmine flower. Jasmine we have the creeper type and also the plant type. It's only budded and there is no flower. But this is also a creeper. Okay. Are you seeing, my dear students? Now see. This is also a creeper. And this is the plant of ash god. Ask, do you eat 11? It is very healthy. And this is a plant where we get 11 as the vegetable. This flower will soon turn into 11. That is how we get that vegetable. Now we learned about trees. This is a papaya tree, but this is small. It's only planted recently. But here we have a bigger papaya tree. Students, can you see the papaya? See, the papaya tree is so big. There are so many papayas on it. Yummy. Okay, so this is one tree, papaya tree. Then we have the banana tree. I hope everyone in their yards have banana tree, isn't it? There we have bananas over there. It is unripe, but there are bananas. And there is again a papaya tree with lots of papaya. Are you able to see, children? Are you enjoying? Now we have this is drumstick tree, which is known as Moringa in Malayalam. Have you seen this? Have you tried eating? It is very yummy. So see, we have a jackfruit tree here with so many jackfruits. Isn't it? Now we will see a tree you all are very familiar with, the coconut tree. See? Are you able to see the coconuts on it? So this is the coconut tree. Sure, my dear students, this is a small sapling of a mango tree. Okay, now we will see one big mango tree which was planted years back. So dear students, see, this is the big mango tree. Isn't it huge? Enjoyed the small garden visit. Now we will go back and resume our classes. Okay? So, do you have your textbooks with you? No problem if you don't have. I will send you the screenshot of this chapter. Okay? And now we will read the first chapter. Fine? So let's go. So let's start reading our first lesson. This is a diary writing written by a child like you. So this diary was written on June 5th. So let's begin reading. Lesson 1. Blooming and Sprouting. Today was an extremely joyful day for me and my friends. We got saplings as part of the Environment Day celebrations. I got a small kanikonna. I went home and showed it to my grandpa. He came with me to plant it in the yard. Grandpa told me about many plants, tumba, mukuti, tarudama, kurundoti. I came to know the names of many plants only then. There are many trees like the mango tree, jackfruit tree, tamarind tree, coconut tree, etc. in the yard. They were all planted by Grandpa, it seems. It seems my kanikonna will also grow like this. I'm waiting for the day it will blossom fully with golden flowers. Now let me explain this to you. What does blooming and sprouting mean? Have you seen the flowers bloom? Isn't it so nice to see them bloom? And have you seen the seeds sprouting? We all have sprouted green grams at our home, right? Putting tissue in water and putting some green grams in it, we have all watched green grams sprout. So that is the lesson's name, blooming and sprouting. So the child is saying, today was an extremely joyful day for me and my friends. It was a very, very happy day for them. Why? Because we got saplings as part of Environment Day celebrations. They got small plants from their school for the Environment Day. And this child got a small kanikonna. Kanikonna is the state flower of Kerala. Have you seen kanikonna? It is called golden showers in English. I went home and showed it to my grandpa. When you get something, what you do? You go to your parents and show them. And this child also took that kanikonna and went to her grandpa immediately and told, Grandpa, I got this kanikonna from the school. He went with the kanikonna and the child to the garden and then they planted the sapling there. And he also told the child about many plants. There are wide varieties of plants around us, isn't it? And also, Grandpa told her about all the trees, the mango tree, the jackfruit tree, the coconut tree, and told that Grandpa also had planted them when he was small. So the writer thinks that her kanikonna will also grow like that. And she was waiting for the day it will blossom into a tree and they will be full of flowers in it. Now we finished reading. So now you have to take the screenshot Miss sent you and read the textbook. Okay? So that's it for today. And I want to also tell you one thing. മിസ് ഇപ്പോൾ ഈ വീഡിയോ ഫുള്ള് ഇംഗ്ലീഷിലാണ് കേട്ടോ ചെയ്തത്. അത് ഇംഗ്ലീഷിൽ തന്നെ പഠിക്കാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ടാണ്. അപ്പോൾ പെട്ടെന്ന് മനസ്സിലാവാൻ കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ടില്ലെങ്കിൽ മിസ്സിനെ വിളിച്ചാലോ മിസ്സിന് വാട്സപ്പിൽ മെസ്സേജ് അയച്ചാലോ മിസ്സ് കുറച്ചുകൂടി ക്ലിയർ ആയിട്ട് പറഞ്ഞു തരാം കേട്ടോ. പക്ഷേ മാക്സിമം ഇംഗ്ലീഷിൽ തന്നെ കേട്ട് പഠിക്കാൻ ശ്രമിക്കുക. ഓക്കെ. So with that, we will wind this session. Hope you all enjoyed the class today. And I am your class teacher. So if you have any problems regarding the class, contact me. We will see you soon in the next video, which will be next week. So till then, bye, take care and stay safe. Okay.